Hi everyone, quick video I wanted to show you here on our course. I want to point out, oops, sorry, knocked myself out. We will wait patiently. There, we're back. I want to point out here that, let me go ahead and make this, let me slide this down. Or slide that up. Cannot do any of these. Hang on. Okay, I wanted to put both these together. All video lectures and all tests are here. I wanted to point out that the video lectures that I put out for Saturday are here under all video lectures. And you will see the live video lecture here, the lecture on e-commerce. Live video lecture is the one that we had together, that I put together, that I recorded. Here's the lecture on e-commerce that I've also assigned. And then these are relatively short. IoT, ERP is more related to how Sushi Place uses ERP to take orders and collect payment. And then these other are the IoT lectures. I just want to make sure, because there's a few of them, and I want to make sure you had not completely missed this folder. If you missed this folder, you're going to miss this entire assignment. As far as what's on the test, I want to point out here that we have system's running very slow today. There we go. These are the slides that I covered all or in part, and everything through here to here to the world is flat. So for example, the world is flat and down you don't have to worry about for test 1, but everything above here you do have to worry about. E-commerce, the only reason I put this here is because this is the slide deck that corresponds to my e-commerce video lecture that I just showed you over on this other folder. IoT lecture again is a written version of IoT that is it's best if you consume this first and then the videos, because the videos kind of heighten the effects of IoT. We covered this, IT doesn't matter, which you should have already read when we were in our lecture. But I want to just stress that you're responsible for all of these all the way up to e-commerce. And be mindful that in addition to these slide decks, you also have here video lectures. Here's the video lecture that obviously was created for 421. Here's the lecture on e-commerce that corresponds to that slide deck. Here's the ERP Sushi, and then these are this is the slide deck for IoT, and then here's the information for IoT. That a lot of these are TED Talks on IoT that I really like. Had somebody ask me, I guess a couple of people asked me, how do I prepare for test 1? I've had students that have had this course before you tell me that what they felt was most on the test first was the slides. In other words, over here under course content, some of the slides. Some people have told me, because I'll ask them, what, given that you've had a test now and you've had my course, what would you take? Well, they say focus on the slides. Focus on the lectures, whether they be in class or whether they be recorded. Third is like textbook, and then last is like video, because some people thought there would be more coverage of video. Let me warn you though, because here we're talking about video lectures. There's a qualitative difference between me lecturing on e-commerce with my voice versus these TED Talks down here. These TED Talks might be 1 or 2 questions on the exam. I think the last time I gave this exam, there was like 3 or 4 questions related to IoT here. But if I'm giving the lecture, obviously, then it's just like a lecture given in class. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, like always, just give me a text. Talk later.